Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you what a bridge landing page is and how to build one in legitimately under 5 to 10 minutes from an idea to from a concept and idea into design and fully into development into your Shopify store in legitimately under 20 minutes. And this is going to be really, really useful. So first of all, if you don't know what a bridge landing page is, this is something that essentially prior to sending someone to your website, to your product page, to the call to action, you want to send them to something like this. So on mobile or on desktop, this looks a little bit funny. On mobile, 5 reasons why you need to try Jones Road Beauty if you love this makeup look. 5 reasons bad sleep is holding you hostage and how 150,000 men finally broke free. 5 reasons Gem Studio is the girls' night out for every group chat is booking, right? And so the key to these landing pages is that you're just simply taking someone to a bridge page. Again, when they're clicking on an ad prior to actually going to the landing page, they're going to this page first so that we can reiterate a certain angle or certain social proof that we want to reiterate. And again, it's very simple and focused. Again, there's not a lot of design going on here. It's 5 reasons or 7 reasons. With Jones Road Beauty, they're taking people directly to a quiz. With a hostage tape, they're taking people directly to a 65% free shipping starter pack, right? Normally $140, you're going to get this for $49. For Gem Studio, this landing page, 5 reasons, this is the girls' night out, everyone's booking, 5 quick reasons, and then it's being led directly into a book your workshop call to action, right? So you can do this for a multitude of different brands. And again, what I want you guys to understand, guys, is this page, the one that we were just looking at, of course, it's not going to load now because it's just an HTML file at the moment, is a file that we generated, the 5 reasons why page we completely generated. Let me pull it up for you guys again. This is a landing page, guys, that we generated. And again, some of the images aren't loading now just because it's not a fully live page. Let me see if I can. It's so funny that these images aren't loading. But this is a full page with all of the copywriting, all of the images that we want placed, that we have the ability to generate with AI. And I want to show you the ability and how we did this. And so let's go ahead and pop on over into Claude Code. So all I need to go ahead and do is type our 5 reasons why landing page skill. This is a full skill that is pre-built on building these pages in Shopify Liquid Theme. And so depending on what you're going to be operating in or what brand you're going to be generating this for, it's going to ask you specific questions. So you've already got a girls' night out landing page. This is amazing. What's the occasion or angle that we should target with this new page? So bachelorette, date night, mother-daughter, permanent jewelry. So again, this is going to be dependent on the type of brand that you are working on, but all it takes is utilizing a simple skill, guys. You do not need to be saying, hey, build me, a 5 reasons why landing page, and you have to go step by step in understanding, okay, well, what headlines do we need? What angles? What are the sub points? What images are we going to go ahead and use? It's going to take a lot of manual effort, and the way to do this now, guys, is with Claude skills. And so this is a 5 reasons why landing page skill that we've fully developed, but the way that this is taken, sort of to this next level is you'll see here, I said, okay, 5 reasons why landing page, which brand are we building this for? Gem Studio. Okay, there's a brand brain folder, and this is the key, right? It's reading the brand guidelines, it's reading our products and positioning, it's reading our customer avatars, it's reading the brand MD file. And what is this brand brain, guys? Well, this is essentially the juice of what we're going to be utilizing when it comes to working with Claude Code for any brand moving forward. Again, in 2026, guys, it's not about prompting, right? It's not about which AI you're using. You could be using ChatGPT, you could be using Claude. I do think Claude is a little bit of a better output, and we're consistently testing that. But the importance, guys, is that whatever AI tool you are using, image generation tool, chat model, LLM, whatever, you need to have the ability to give it a brand brain, right? And the brand brain is the context, a living, breathing brain that is consistently updated based off of your individual brand, right? So you'll see here, guys, individually, not only does this pull specifically for this brand, it's basically workshops where they sell, they don't actually have they do have a D2C side of the business, but we didn't pull from that. They have a more of a retail side of the business where they're offering like in-person workshops, charm workshop, permanent jewelry, silversmithing. We're pulling all of the individual images from that product category on their website. And so Claude has all of the assets. Most importantly, it's writing a brand MD. It's writing the brand guidelines. And so right away, the brand guidelines, okay, what do we do? What do we do? What do we not do? Who are the founders? What's the color palette? What are the unique selling propositions of this brand? Who are the competitors? Who are the customer avatars? products and positioning, recent changes MD file, guys. This is huge. This is how the brand brain continuously gets smarter, right? As you saw in that question when I'm saying, hey, let's go ahead and build a 5 reasons why landing page. Well, because we built it utilizing the brand brain, it has the ability to remember, hey, well, we've already built this one landing page. What angle do we want to go ahead and take? And so, okay, my recommendation, and as you can see here, it's spit out 4 different headlines and 4 different angles, again, based off the angle that I chose, which was mother-daughter. 5 reasons moms and daughters are trading the same mold brunch for a ring they make together. 5 reasons this Mother's Day gift she'll be wearing years from now. 5 reasons mom and daughters who want real time together can't stop booking this. 5 reasons families are ditching forgettable gift cards for an afternoon at the bench. So cool, a ton of different headlines. And again, this is just like really rough. I'm just giving it like no inspiration. Obviously with this, you know, the more creative that you can be when you're utilizing these skills, you can get a little bit more direction. But what can be done is essentially building the entire output. Let me actually pull the landing page for you guys. Let's pull this. So again, I don't know why the images are not loading now. But again, I think you guys saw that at the beginning of the video where we have a full, ready to go 5 reasons why landing page, fully edited. Claude designed all of this, and it is now living inside of the Shopify store. It's simply getting developed, and all you need to do, guys, is utilize this skill. And once it's finished completing, you'll see that it actually puts together an entire zip folder, which contains all of the Shopify liquid code, the liquid theme, everything that we need to take into development and publish this landing page into Shopify. And so if you want to keep up to date, guys, with what Claude is being capable of, because again, from a design perspective, this is a walk in the park, guys, right? These 5 reasons why landing pages, they're super simple. You just need to give it the context and the proper brand brain to build it, and the proper skill so that it knows, okay, this is the sequence. Here's what we're going for. Here's how the landing page should look. Here's what is important in regards to building a 5 reasons why landing page. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you want to learn and keep up to date with everything that we're utilizing in terms of AI at our agency, or just really everything in relation to AI when it comes to e-commerce, I would love to see you guys inside of our school community, school.com/CMO. AI CMO is where you can get access to the brand brain skill, where you can go ahead and get access. Let me go ahead and reload this. Where you guys can go ahead and get access to the brand brain skill. You guys can go ahead and get access to the 5 reasons why landing page build. Guys, this is not a place where we're just going ahead and teaching how to go ahead and create beautiful content and creative, whether it's static ads, whether it's video content, but we're also showing you exactly how we're utilizing conversion rate optimization in terms of landing page builds, in terms of overall auditing your website. And so this is just a little taste, guys, of what's inside of the AI CMO community. There's where we're going to be showing you how to connect all of your MCPs, build your brand brain, go through the AI content and generation section, and then everything in relation to what we just went over today, that is inside of the AI landing page and CRO section, where we're going to walk you through not only how to fully build these designs, really almost automated, but then go ahead and actually get them directly into Shopify, so you guys can go ahead and get these live and really build and test as fast as you would like. So I'm going to leave the link below in the description, guys, if you guys want to go ahead and join AI CMO. I would love to see you in there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.